In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you what support and resistance is and how you can use it when trading. So what are support and resistance levels? Support and resistance levels are key price levels which price will struggle to break above or below. Okay, so let me show you guys how to tell the difference between the two. Let's say you're carrying a ball and you throw the ball down at the floor. That ball is going to bounce back up at you.
Here you go.
And that is what support is. Support is going to be the level where price starts falling down, but it's there to catch it. And resistance is going to be when you have a ball and you throw that ball up in the air, but it hits off the ceiling. When price is moving higher, it runs into resistance. Let me show you on the chart right now what I mean by this. You can see at this box, as price rises up into this blue line, it is our resistance level and price rejects off it. But in this scenario, you can see this box highlighted around the blue line has price falling into it and then bounces. That is our support. These support and resistance levels are going to appear all across your charts on the 5-minute, the hourly, the daily, and the weekly. The importance is to understand that the bigger the time frame is, the more relevance your support and resistance levels are going to have. So what I recommend you do is go over to the higher time frames when drawing your support and resistance level, and let's say you start on the daily. I'm going to draw out a couple levels here and show you what happens when you zoom in.
Hey! Perhaps I could be of some assistance.
So guys, as you can see, I drew my daily levels. Now once we zoom into the hourly time frame, notice how price reacts to these levels. Notice here how at 3,836, we see price come into our support level and bounce. Then once price cracks below all of our key levels, it comes up to test it again here at 3,720 and rejects. These daily levels are going to have a lot of significance. In the smaller time frames you look at, the less relevant they are going to be. Start with your daily, guys, zoom into the hourly, then to the 15, and last the 5. Another thing about support and resistance is that it's not a direct science.
So why didn't I flinch? Because the laws of science differ fundamentally from those of...
You could have a key level at 3,900, for example, but price may stall a couple cents below that level. So what you could do is draw a box with a couple cents of leeway on each side of the support and resistance level, and then trade around that. The final thing about support and resistance is that these levels can flip. Let's say you have a resistance level and price breaks through it. Now once price comes back and tests that key level, it's now your support. And again, if price breaks below your support level, comes up and retests it, it's now your resistance. Once again, this is going to happen on all time frames, so it's important to look at the higher levels and look for those flips and then zoom down to the smaller ones.
And you got to get bigger, faster, and stronger.
I hope you guys enjoyed this brief intro to support and resistance levels. If you want to learn more about trading, make sure to like and subscribe and check out my option trading guide. The link will be in the description.